What is up, everyone? This is Mo Tutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix your Steam games from not being detected. You don't need no extra hard drive space or anything of the sort. I'm going to show you a quick, simple fix on how to fix this issue. So whatever game is the one causing you a problem that's saying, oh, it's not detected. Let's say it's Fallout, New Vegas, or The Girl and the Robot, or whatever the game may be. Basically, uninstall whatever game it is. If it's already installed, I have whichever one it is. Uninstall the game from your Steam drive. Once you do that, so basically uninstall the game. I'm trying to find like a game that was installed. I guess this one, for example, like uninstall it, get rid of it. Then what you want to do is you want to click into Steam. You want to click into settings. You want to go to downloads within settings, and you want to do clear download cache. It's going to basically, as you can even say, clearing the download cache might resolve issues downloading or starting apps. It even explicitly calls it out for you. You want to basically do this is going to restart Steam for you, re-log in back into your Steam account, download the game, basically click the install button that you see over here, that as you can see over here that I'm having, install the game onto your computer or your Steam drive. It will validate the game, and voila, you will be able to play the game. Again, no hard drive needed, no extra space needed, no weird memory changes that sometimes people are recommending, which do work, but a lot more complex. This is significantly easier. This is kind of like a validation process. If you do, you clear the cache, you remove any BS that was probably happening within the Steam folders, and voila, you are good to go. So yeah, that's basically, I wanted to make a very quick tutorial on how to do this, and hopefully you guys are good to go. If you guys overall like this video, please smash that like button, helps a lot. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell. Other than that, Mo Tutorials out.